More power with less of the harm? Here's how to make a better battery. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Atios Systems is developing batteries in a battery manufacturing process that's looking to forego the harmful forever chemicals that normally come along with them. Forever chemicals, or PFAS, are chemicals that are not naturally occurring in nature. These have been assumed to connect to any number of health issues that humans face, and around 95% of batteries use them. Atios' RayCure technology uses a radiation-based electrode curing system that loses the PFAS while improving the process and the batteries by every metric. These new batteries can be made at a 20% cost reduction, a 50% increase in energy density, and an 82% energy consumption reduction per unit. Atios is looking for work orders to begin implementing these new batteries into a variety of fields. Time will tell if these new batteries will lead to a healthier future for us and our planet. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not getting my newsletter, just go to cyberguy.com, click the red button.